Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Pad 3 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Let's start with an Android. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now on OnePlus, the same thing. I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on wherever you want to in all the other ones. Finally, hit send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OnePlus, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. So sorry, misclick. In those two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. Then select send next to selected at the bottom to continue. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up. And then got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit receive button to connect. Then wait. Close or ads. And as you can see, after that my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!